that I had to tell Dad.
I was relieved. I didn't have to think about it.
Did you think it was a good joke?
Yes, it's an excellent joke.
Is that a lie?
It's a white lie.
Honestly, this all... You raised the black flag of ISIS over the White House. She told me to stop. Neither of us remembered the exact lie that drove her over the top, but she remembers the feeling.
What is this person doing? Sierra 462 CYA.
Yep, you're an idiot.
Keep right to stay on M1.
You idiot!
M1 for 6
For
kilometres.
fuck's sake! Plenty of room to go behind me. Fucking hell.
Did you see the hot dogs? Like a foot long hot dog was $22 a bag.
See, that ain't their first rodeo.
More than money. Get custom made sliding rope doors and cabinetry spelled less than off the shelf. Sequence for Security Canada is effective. A couple of years ago. Traffic up to date on Perth 92.9 Triple M.
Okay, that's a little red. Oh shit, Scotty.
You talking to me?
Fucking idiot!
Jesus Christ. That's Jason Bourne.
expire. Eventually, yeah. Initially there is, but you don't have to retake the years that made the Republic of Turkey secular, industrialized.
Oh, come on. I kind of felt a little hesitation. I thought he just, like, guessed and, like, was pretty close, but no, he was on the money.
Fucking nailed it. I'm Donald Faison. I just do commercials with Zach Braff
one
now,
way,
and I have
Dopey.
a normal Heath voice.
Fuck this. What an asshole!
In 600 meters, speed camera ahead, 80 kilometers per hour speed limit.
What the fuck? You're a fucking idiot, mate.
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my god, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week!
Longsword.
After 300 meters, one straight ahead.
Yeah, you have used your longsword already. I went around.
Okay. Then I will use my mace.
Nice.
Alright. 25.
Ooh! All right, 25 to hit with that mace.
And that is going to do 4 damage.
4
You
damage.
can see why I wanted to use the sword. I get 2 attacks.
So you're not doing the same thing, because Gladys.
Woman, get back in here and make me a sandwich.
And it's 12, so...
You're attacking with the mace again?
Yeah, it's 12, so no, I'm not.
All right. So you swing your mace for a second time, and Gladys's voice booms around you, and she goes, "Boring!" And for some reason, your mace feels so heavy that it just falls at your feet before you can strike the Cuttlebug again with it.
Okay, guys, other than tickling them, that's all I've got. I don't have anything else I can do.
Okay, I think we should definitely tickle them now. Sure, I think that's an excellent idea.
I can't hear you over the sound of the waves crashing against the shore. So, you know.
All right, Cat Wild is going to take a blind bite at Vardos. 24 and a 14.
14 does not hit.
At Damien. Sorry, not Vardos.
I have a 14, so that hit. Cool.
11 damage.
I'm going to dimension door myself over to Gravy. He seems to have the right idea.
Okay, Traveling Texan, attempting to take a bite out of Vardos. That's a nat 1. Yeah, so with a nat 1, it leans forward and bites Chase instead.
Oh no.
All right. Achoo, you're up.
Okay. All right. I will first run away from this fire.
You are engaged, so it will get an attack of opportunity.
What? No, I'm not.
Remember, it came over and tried to grab you.
No, it didn't. Did it?
It would have been amazing if no, it didn't work just now.
It did?
Yeah.
When did it do that?
Yeah, when it first
Emotional, damn it!
appeared.
When it first appeared, it tried to grab you and paralyze you.
God damn it. Okay. All right. In that case, I am going to blight you. I'm going to blight him.
Nice.
At 4th level. Do I need to have done this before?
You've done this before, I think.
Yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and cast that. He's got to, Constitution save 16.
She belongs to the streets.
on outcomes in the community.
Manual recording on.
Further down the line, you won't be an app on a smartphone.
That's right, yeah.
That'll happen with time.
That's right. We've
Start recording video. Wi-Fi hotspot is on.
Well, that won't be long.
Yeah, we'll get too many because we're...
No, I'm only going to get 6. Do you want any
Oh, hello. There's Stockton there for that one.
Man Bear Pig.
Man, bear, pig?